Well, guys, car's on fire.
What?
What's wrong with it? What?
No, like, the car's legit on fire.
Really? What's up, guys? My name is Andrew.
And I'm Justin.
And tonight, it's kind of going to be like a little bit of a dumpster fire on what we're doing for tonight's episode. Yeah, we're kind of just going to be going from one thing to the next. So if you guys are looking for some storylines or, you know, the traditional episode, just move on, because this is not going to be your traditional episode. But to start off, we are going to, as you can see right behind here, we have this wonderful Snap-on box that we had to get into the shop. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the process of getting this thing in the shop. And
It's a real pain.
yeah, it was not fun. So let's go ahead and roll into that clip, guys. Yeah, so we can just roll it off from the side.
Keep going.
Keep going. Good.
Look at the awful. It's got protection now. There you go. That's sliding.
You really think that's gonna stop a how many 100 or 1,000-pound box?
2,000.
You don't believe 2,000-pound box.
That is the equivalent of a condom with a hole in it.
Yeah,
So it kind of works, but yeah, there's some flaws.
just don't break it. Okay, guys, so that box, as you can see, was not the easiest thing to get into the garage.
But we did it.
But we did it. So now, for the second dumpster fire for tonight, we're gonna be working with Ryan over here, aka Jets Talk 24/7. If you guys haven't seen his YouTube channel, go check it out. He loves his Jets. And then Tyler over here, you guys might have seen Tyler before. I've known Tyler for a bunch of years in the Volkswagen community. Awesome dude. Go check out his Instagram. We'll link it down below for him. And we'll link Ryan's also, because why not? But what we're gonna be working on is some rumblies in his Subaru WRX over here. Ryan, what do you got throwing on the code right now?
So, not good. I guess the turbo is not getting oil, and that's apparently not a good thing. So I gotta take out the banjo bolts on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna dive into a WRX motor. Not normal for a Volkswagen channel, I guess, and an Opel channel, but hey, let's get into here and figure out what the hell's going on with this WRX.
All right, so we just ran the codes for the car, and I'm running a P0021 and P0011. I guess it's camshaft position timing.
So yeah, that's an interesting thing for Subarus. Any of you guys know any Subaru stuff? Let us know in the comment section what this actually means, but we're gonna go ahead and try to dig into the engine a little bit, see if we can figure this thing out. So let us know, boys. So Justin, first thing, let's check first thing. What are we gonna check?
So me and Tyler were talking, and we're like, it is a Subaru. Does it have oil? So we're checking the stick. Looks like it's not really registering on the stick.
Well, I wonder if he has any oil in the Subaru.
There might be oil in the Subaru.
I hope there's oil in the Subaru. This is not a good thing.
I guess we're
When
gonna
was the last time
find
you
out.
did your oil change?
He was gonna do it tonight.
Yeah, I was gonna do it tonight.
So let's do it right now.
I got this. I got
All
the
right,
filter too.
we're gonna do an oil change. I guess that's the first step. Let's do this.
Let's do it. No, I have one.
Justin, what are we looking for?
Mine?
Your
An oil
what?
filter wrench.
An
No,
oil
mine's
filter wrench.
better.
I think Ethan has all of them.
No, not this one. These away.
There you go.
Great, actually. This is dope. This is actually really cool. This is kind of what I envisioned the shop being.
Hopefully it goes down.
Yeah, it will. It will.
It's like,
Now I don't like mine being.
Wow, you had like no oil in there.
dude, it is.
Wow, it's already almost done draining.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude,
There was no oil.
I would say that's definitely what's throwing the code.
Yeah. All right, Ryan, how much oil's actually in here?
There enough to not enough.
Yeah?
Like half, like two and a half quarts.
Yeah, it's hard to see, guys, but
Maybe.
yeah, that was very low. So we're hoping that that's going to solve the issue with the check engine light. So Ryan's definitely going to go.
Yes, I am a bad Subaru owner.
Yes.
I'm a bad car guy.
So Ryan's going to go drive this car for a little bit, and hopefully that gets rid of it. So I guess we're going to have an update on that. Okay, guys, so now for the third dumpster fire for tonight. Justin, what are we working on now?
Working on my dumpster fire.
Yes, the Opel GT.
We're gonna continue to try to get the headlight housings out, the little rotators back here. We were messing around with it last night, but we have to grind a bunch of bolts off of it because they're all stripped and rotted, so.
Yeah, we're also gonna go ahead and get the brake booster out. And then Justin kind of had a little bit of fun, and yeah, we'll show you guys some footage of him ripping out the fuse box. So I don't think many people will be too happy by the way he did it, but
We did it.
it's out. So let's go ahead, guys. We're gonna start working on this, and let's get these parts removed.
Brake lines are.
There we go. That's out. That was fun, wasn't that, Ty?
Yeah.
Told you it wasn't
I'm
as-
working on 70s German engineering, which I've never worked on.
Right? Something different besides Volkswagen.
Right?
There you go.
Alright, so, what are they, the headlight rotatey things?
Yep.
So the headlight rotatey things, the bolts for them, for the backside, there's a bolt back here somewhere, and they rounded off. They're, 50-year-old bolts or whatever. So what we have to do is weld a new nut onto the bolt to then extract it to be able to get the headlight bucket rotatey things out. So, fingers crossed it works.
Let's go.
Well, guys, car's on fire.
What?
What's wrong with it?
What?
No, like, the car's legit on fire.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm curious.
Yeah, what? Man, is a Mark IV on fire? Are we burning all the Mark IVs? What did you do?
I don't know.
Oh, Justin with the seltzer. Because, seltzer's actually going to do anything.
This is for days.
It smells horrible. What happened?
Well, it looks like my downpipe broke, so that was open turbo.
Oh, the camera's all fogging up. Look at that.
So dumb.
Wow.
Look at that.
Mike has open turbo. I guess his car's really on fire. Wow, Mike.
10 years time, those
Oh my gosh.
commercials?
So I guess legitimately burn the MK4s.
Literally.
All right, well, that's I think, guys, for officially, we have had a dumpster fire of a night.
This one did not want to come out at all. So I just like gooped it on.
Well, it worked.
Yeah.
It's out. All right, time for cars. Musical chairs.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're
Guys.
moving all the cars around in my little parking lot.
Yep.
I got a parking lot that holds 3 cars. We have like 9 cars in it right now.
Get the Rex out. Hopefully this thing does not throw another check engine light.
Bye, friend.
And hopefully we'll get
And now another Volkswagen.
we're gonna get Mike's car in here now, guys, so you guys get to see all the carnage. That should be fun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's So Mike, what happened to your car?
Downpipe broke. Caused the car to catch fire. The firewall did its job though.
Is it on fire again?
It's dumb hot.
Well, Justin, you got another
so broke.
Sprite bottle right there. You want to dump more Sprite on it?
Not in my shop. This is how we get pants, Andrew.
That's a good place.
Yeah, I was gonna say sugar.
Oh my gosh.
Sugar.
This has been a dumpster fire of a night.
Something's definitely still.
Yeah, something's definitely smoldering in here still.
Yeah, I just heard it go.
Yeah.
But that I call it.
So there you guys go. You can see the brake right there. That is a pretty solid brake right there in the downpipe. Fun. We're gonna have to replace that. Mike, lucky for you, Chris has a lot of extra parts.
Yes.
Let's get this fixed. Alright guys, it's 3 in the morning.
We've been here for 10 hours.
This has literally been, like we said, a dumpster fire of a night. Mike, downpipe.
Actually had a dumpster fire.
Literally, this car was a dumpster fire tonight, I guess. Car back together, right?
Car's back together. Only ran into one slight issue, which was the O2 sensor, but we'll see how it goes.
We rigged a couple of things.
Yeah, some things got rigged up. Some other little tidbits got addressed. And yeah, I mean, we'll figure out how she runs. Take it for the next few days and take it easy.
So let's see. 1.8T. Hopefully it doesn't blow up.
I'm gonna take it easy.
Yeah, Mike doesn't know taking it easy at all.
If he 2 steps out of here, I'll go find him and kill him.
Oh, let's see how that goes. All right, guys, we're wrapping this up. Let's get this car out of here and finish up because it's 3 and I want to go home. Okay, guys, so we are gonna wrap up tonight. Definitely has been a crazy night. Justin
Hit a little bit of everything.
literally, yeah, we had a little bit of Opel stuff. We had some Subaru stuff. We had a
Volkswagen stuff.
Volkswagen. We had Jetta stuff. We had a Volkswagen on fire. Like that's
Toolbox stuff.
Toolbox stuff.
toolbox stuff. Yeah, like we had everything tonight really in this episode. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just kind of wanted to get an episode out to you guys, have some more stuff for you guys just to check out. So if you guys like it, as always, go down below, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We would really appreciate it. We got a few things coming up soon. This kid's car should be done within the next week. This GTI that you guys have all been seeing on the channel, hopefully we can go take it for a ride and we're gonna road dyno or road test it and tune it, right Chris? Hopefully.
If things go to plan, which they never do.
I'm trying to tune it, so see how well I go.
So we'll see if this car blows up or not. But
Whoa, no.
so on that note, guys, we're gonna end the episode. Until next time, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Justin.
We'll see you guys in the next video.